this thing blowing hot air right here. Yeah. Very quickly becomes cold because the basement is cold. I built this ducting system. Lots of awesome angles and stuff. This is my geothermal heat pump setup. Yeah. See some of the hot water pipes and stuff around here. The inlets and the outlet. See if you can see the difference in temperature. Yep, you can see the difference in temperature. Well, you see it takes temperature out of the fluid and then pumps it back into the ground where it equilibrates back with the ground, and that way extracts entropy from the earth, and that's the geothermal heat pump. There it goes out into onto my yard, 100 meters deep, 2 wells.